In prime time news tonight, Petrojam's $9 million donation back in the spotlight.
So Mr. Myrie, the director of PCJ, is also a personal assistant to then Minister Wheatley?
He was at the time.
Jet to investigate air pollution concerns in bauxite areas. Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation to clamp down on feeding homeless people on the streets.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green is here with a preview.
Thank you, Janella. Well, the Bank of Jamaica has again stepped in and pumped millions of US dollars into the foreign exchange market. I'll give you all the details in the business day.
And we're going to be telling you what's happening in sports. Spencer Darlington's here.
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, the two teams that got to last season's final have taken the early advantage after the first leg semis in the Red Stripe Premier League. We'll tell you all about it later.
Thanks, Spencer. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, what is your reaction to restrictions being placed on areas in which the homeless can be fed in Kingston?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The news in detail after this break.